Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Vinay Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good, and in today's recipe I'm going to show how to make vegetable xacutti. It's a very good option for all the veg lovers. You can enjoy this at home, follow each and every step and get this right. In order to make veg xacutti, I have taken cauliflower 150 grams, mushroom 100 grams, green beans 150 grams and potato 2. So let's get started. Keep the pan hot. Let's dry roast all the ingredients. I've used grated coconut 1 cup, medium onion 1 each. You have to make it dice. Add 4 cloves of garlic. Saute it for a while till you get slightly golden brown in color. On a medium flame only. Do not keep it on high, as evenly you have to get the color. Otherwise one side will burn and it will discolor the other side. Let's add the other ingredients. 1 tablespoon of oil. I've used coconut oil. This gives you a better flavor when you add coconut oil in our Goan vegetable xacutti. I've used fennel seeds 1 tablespoon, cumin seed half tablespoon, Star Anice 1 each, cloves 4 each, cardamom 3, cinnamon half inch, mace a small piece, red chilli 5 I've used. Mix all the ingredients. Add dry coriander 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder half a teaspoon. Mix all the ingredients together and keep the flame on medium to low. Now khaskhas half a teaspoon. Turn off the flame, and once it cools down, add all the ingredients to a mixing jar in order to make a paste. Now I've used tamarind, which is quarter size of a lemon, and by adding water make it to a paste. Now our next step is keep the pan hot on a medium flame. Add 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 medium size of red onion chopped. Saute it well. Once the onion is slightly brown in color, add 2 sliced green chillies and potato. Saute it slightly. Add salt is to taste. Now by adding water, just cover the potatoes and cook it for a while. Once the potatoes are half done, add cauliflower cut in small florets, green beans cut in diamonds, and mushroom cut in quarters. Tomato I've taken 1 cut in medium dice. Mix all the ingredients together. Cover with the lid and cook it for at least 5 minutes on a medium flame. Now as you see, the vegetables are half done now. Now add gravy, the blended masala. Garam masala 1 teaspoon, sugar half a teaspoon. Mix it well. Add water to the jar and check the consistency, guys. This is very important. Do not make it too thin and not too thick as well. Remember, we have added salt earlier as well. Now check the seasoning, and if you require more, just add salt. You need to cover and simmer it. Check this. This is ready. Simmer till the vegetables are all cooked well on a very slow flame. Check this, guys. This is ready to serve now. Lovely vegetable xacutti. You can enjoy this at home with your family. Try this recipe, follow each and every step and get this right. Guys, thanks for watching and God bless you all. Thank you very much.